I can't win, I can't reign. I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you, without you, without you.
Hi everyone, my name is Marco Gohol and I am looking for a girl. I call her the girl in the pool. I saw her last week in Cloud9 Resort in the pool area and she's so beautiful. At grabe, na-inlove ako. So guys, if you could help me to find the girl in the pool, please, I want to meet her. I want to know her name. So please guys, help me to find the girl in the pool. Nagumpisa to last week. Sunday yon ng umaga. I am walking on the side of the pool. Then suddenly, nakita ko yung isang babae, naglalakad. She's wearing a striped dress. At naka-shawl siya. She has blonde hair. At talagang grabe. Sa unang tingin ko pa lang, na-inlove na ako sa babaeng yun. Hinabol ko siya actually the first time I saw her. Umakyat siya sa stairs. Hinabol ko siya pero hindi ko siya naabutan. Nakita ko siya sa may pathwalk. Sinundan ko siya pero sadly, hindi rin kami nagkita. Then one time, I thought makikilala ko na siya. Nakita ko siya tumitingin ng painting sa may lobby area ng resort. But shit! There was a man na nagkatamaan kami at pagtapos kong matamaan, pagtingin ko sa painting, nawala na ulit yung babae that I saw in the pool. So, I was so sad. Kaya hindi ako tumigil na hanapin siya. Then nakita ko siya sa may hanging bridge. Naglalakad siya sa may hanging bridge ng resort. Then akala ko, ito na yung opportunity para makilala ko yung babae. Because I think I totally in love with her. So patuloy ko siyang sinundan. Pero hindi ko pa rin siya nakilala. Naging pinagkait pa rin sa akin yung time or yung moment para magkakilala kami ng babaeng to. So sana makita ko na siya. The last time I saw her, pumasok siya sa loob ng Galaxy Conference Room ng Cloud9 Resort. So, sana makilala at makita ko na talaga siya. Tao po! Tao po!